All right, well, this is actually our second take for this. I want everyone to understand that. So we're rolling a pool lounge cover for the honeycomb thing.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna there. That way they all look the same ish. Okay. So Yana's got the pool cover.
Yes.
The hood part's over there.
In half.
You're folding it in half. You're folding it in half so it's shorter.
Yes.
Gotcha.
And then you fold it in half again the short way.
Fold it in half again so it's shorter. So it's still just as wide as it was originally. Gotcha.
And then you fold it right here.
Perfect.
And then
Hamburger style,
when
that's
you're
right.
rolling it, make sure the crease is outside.
Make sure the crease is outside.
And then we have
Boom!
Beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah.
There we go.
That is delightful. So how do we do these over here? These ones I think are easy. Isn't it just rolled up the long way?
Yeah.
Or what do we fold it in half.
You fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
And then you fold it in half.
Fold it in
again,
half again.
And then you just roll it.
And then we just roll it up so that it's long.
Yes.
Gotcha. And then there are 6 on each shelf.
Oh.
Perfect. That's how that looks. Love it.